Alright, hey everybody, I'm going to talk about making a Google Hangout. You can usually make this for a class assignment where the students will be doing question and answer sessions. Okay, so you just go up here, type in, or you go to Google, and you type in Google Hangout, and it'll be the top one right here, Google Hangout. Try the new Hangouts. It'll take you to this page. So then you go here to Google Hangout on Air. That's where we want to go for this purpose, where we will use this to invite other classmates or anybody else to do a question and answer session on Air. So then it'll bring us here, and this is the main page, and you'll click here eventually to create a Hangout on Air. That'll be able to make an invitation for your class. But I want to scroll down and show you real quick where it's right here about Google Hangout. And then if you go down here, you can see live Hangouts that are public right now. And you can pick one to watch if you're interested in it. So here you can see kind of what it'll look like whenever you're viewing it from the perspective of
but I kind of agree with
the student watching the broadcast.
I would not watch a video without putting on a webcam.
Like that all over
So these people are broadcasting right now live.
Well, that's because those people are.
And then
those
if you go down here, you can either say, "Boo, I don't like what you're saying," which you want to say that because it's cool and
people who pay for subscribers and not
you're laughing. Enjoying My Little Pony.
They use the
or you can say, "Yay, I like what you're doing. This is awesome." And so if you click "Yay," which you do that,
so
it's
yeah,
really nice here.
Wait, do you think that
Yay! This will be come up and start cheering for you, and it'll show you on that little green dot that you saw. So now we're going to go back to Google Hangouts on Air. We want to click on this Create Hangout on Air, and it'll pop up this little box here. And so this is the title, and so we're going to type in Awesome QA session. And then you say what it's about. Obviously you give it a description of some kind. QA for class. So now you can say either I want to start right now at this very moment, where you invite people right now, and if they're online, they can watch it, and if they're not, then they can't, obviously. But we're going to do it for later because we want to be able to show, we want to be able to make one for later on. So if we go here, we want to click on here and choose another date. And so I'm just going to say, hey, this is due November 5th. And we'll just say, you know, pretend this is a during class, so the class is at 1:30. And you can click here and say how long you want it to be. 30 minutes to 8 hours. So here we're just going to say 30 minutes for this. And then you need to pick public, your circle, which is like your close group of tight-knit people, your friends or your like classmates or whatever. In class, I would probably recommend putting all your classmates in the circle, so it's just easier to find all of them at once. So once you do that, you can also email the people the invitation. And so we're going to do that. We're going to email myself. And then you can be like, yes, or press enter. And it'll pop up your name if you're in the system. And so, yeah, we just want to send it to me. So then, yeah, this is your event page. This screen will come up. You can see down here that I have not responded to this yet. So in order to respond to it, I need to go to my email. So come up and right to the awesome question and answer session. So here, this is my portal. I can click on it to watch. And it'll remind me next Thursday that this is happening at 1:30. And the cool thing is, if you're on your email, you can see all these over here. These are actual previous ones I've done with other classmates for other classes over the past year and a half. But here I can say, are you going to watch? Yes, maybe, or no. I'm going to say yes. So then I go back to this page. And if I refresh it, that not responded should change. to watching. So now the creator Kim and I are going to be watching this together, and anybody else who is invited and says yes. But that is how you set up a Google Hangout awesome Q&A session. Hopefully this will help you set up your own Google Hangout sometime soon.